Here's a ridiculously powerful law of attraction breakthrough teaching that will change your life. This changed my life. It allowed me to attract my soulmate. It allowed me to manifest my dream business, live in my dream home, and have my dream life. And so if there's certain things that you desire, it's very important that you learn this ridiculously powerful law of attraction breakthrough. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. So getting upset at what you do not want is like having your radio station on the AM frequency and then getting mad at it because it's not on FM 107.4 for your favorite rock station. It's like, what the heck? This stupid radio station isn't playing 104.7 FM, smooth jazz, the rock, yeah. What's wrong? And your friend says, you have it set on AM 87.4. Yeah, but I want it on 104.7. This is ridiculous. This is the stupidest thing. The radios do not work. Radios do not work. This is idiotic. You'd be like, you might be a little bit crazy because radios work. The frequency works. It's that you're not on the right station. No. It's like you're on the wrong frequency. Imagine if you called your neighbor on the telephone and then you said, Mom, and your neighbor said, no, this is Greg. And you said, Greg, I know, you live next door to me. Why would I be calling you? I want to talk to my mom. And Greg said, dude, but you called me. And you said, no, I want to talk to my mom. I want my mommy. And Greg's like, well, call your mom then, don't call me. And then you got pissed off at Greg, and then you broke your iPhone and you threw it in your pool because you said, this stupid iPhone doesn't work and Greg's such a mean person, he won't even let me talk to my mom. You were on the wrong frequency. What's a phone number? A phone number is a frequency. That's all it is. My phone number, 760-703. I'm gonna not tell you the rest of the numbers. That number is just a frequency. That's all it is. Your phone number is a frequency. 104.7 FM is a frequency. AM 87.5 is a frequency. And if you are on the wrong frequency, it doesn't matter what you want. You're going to get the frequency that you're on. And so thinking that the law of attraction doesn't work or that God is here to punish you or you aren't good enough or smart enough to get what you want, it's not even about you. People always have this grocery list of all the reasons that they can't have what they want. Well, I'm a little too fat, I didn't do well in school, I'm not qualified enough, I don't think I have the right resources, and besides, this and this and that, and they have a grocery list, an itemized list, and they can tell you everything, reason why. It's not about any of that. It's that you're on the wrong frequency. That's it. So from here on out, speak only of what you want. Speak only of the possibilities. Speak of the possibilities. You see, most people go to the universe, most people go to God, and they say, God, I got this big problem. Well, I mean, this is stupid. Are you trying to punish me? All God is an energy field that responds to your frequency. Just like the knob that you're on in the radio station. It's the same thing. When you're in your car and you turn the knob just responds to the frequency that you turn it to. God, the energy field, the universe just responds to the frequency that you're on. So it doesn't matter if you plead to God. It doesn't matter if you say, God, are you trying to punish me here? I mean, come on, this stupid law of attraction stuff doesn't work. No. Instead of going to God with your big problems, go to God with your big possibilities. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I'm so grateful for these amazing possibilities that I have in front of me. You know, I have this amazing opportunity to manifest a new job, and although I don't even know what that looks like yet, my mind wants to tell me and fill me with fear that there are no possibilities out there, I know something beautiful is on the way, and I'm so grateful that I'm going to receive an unexpected miracle shortly. You know, I am so grateful that I've had so many failed relationships. My mind wants to tell me that's a bad bad thing and that means that I can't have them in the future. But you know what? I'm so grateful because all of getting what I didn't want has allowed me to clarify what I do want. And now I have a very clear image of what I want out of my relationship. And now I know, because I formed that clear picture, that you, the universal intelligence that permeates and penetrates and fills the inner spaces of the universe, is going to respond and give me what I desire. And I'm so grateful that I've had this experience, and I'm so thankful that there's more money printed every single day and that it's out there for me to manifest and attract what I want. That's how you go to God with your possibilities, not with your problems. Start to talk to God, start to talk to the universe, but talk to it as a co-creator. Talk to it in gratitude for the things that you want already manifesting themselves. Don't go to the universe with your problems, because talking about what you don't want is the surest way to continue to get what you don't want. And then when you don't get what you want, after you keep talking about it, then you say, but see, this stuff doesn't work. This stuff doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. Does it not work, or are you constantly focused on what you don't want? You see, everything is happening at once. There's more money printed every single day. Your soulmate is out there. There might be somebody that needs to come from China or Canada to help you with your business. Your dream house, at least the property already exists. So it's all there. It's just that we're on the wrong frequency. Don't want to talk to your mom but call your neighbor and get mad at your neighbor when you can't get a hold of your mom. Pretend that you already have what you want. How would you communicate with yourself? How would you communicate with others? I was just at dinner last night with my now wife, Ashley, and this is a true story. This isn't me playing a character. But we were at dinner and we were talking in the present tense about the things that we want in the future. Man, I am so grateful that this happened and that happened. And wasn't that amazing when this happened? What we're doing is we're changing our lens of possibility just to experience what we want. We won't even look at anything other than what we want. We won't consider it. And so today, speak only of what you want. Today, talk to God, talk to the universe in gratitude for the beautiful things that are out there. And you'll start to notice more of them show up. And you'll start to look and see the people that are always talking about what they don't want. They constantly find more things that they don't want. Why is that? Because what you focus on expands. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, inviting you to be that powerful human being that you are, that powerful creator that you are. Download my free success hypnosis, JakesHypnosis.com, right there down below. Use that to train your subconscious mind for success and abundance, so you talk only of what you want, only of success, only of abundance. JakesHypnosis.com. You are a powerful person. You are so powerful that your very words, your very thoughts, and your very perception of reality is creating your life. You may think you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, you're not this enough, you're not that enough. You may think all of these things. They aren't true and they don't matter. It's all about your frequency. Get on the frequency of wealth. Get on the frequency of love. Get on the frequency of possibilities. Help somebody today. Expect great things. Expect miracles. So today, do the unbelievable. Don't allow the negativity of the world to pull you down. Don't allow your old thought patterns to convince you that life isn't an amazing place. So have a beautiful day. Hashtag down below, best day ever. Go out there and have the best day ever. And remember this. Remember this. Well-being expands and accelerates the law of attraction process. So when you're in a state of well-being and possibilities, when you're talking to your friends and to God and to the universe about the possibilities, you expand that energy field and more good things come your way. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. Subscribe, bell notification. Even if you've subscribed already, make sure you hit the bell notification, because that's what notifies you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification, hashtag down below. Best day ever. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day and expect great things.